Hi and welcome back. I'm George Pierce. This video is about making money on YouTube, and you're never going to have to create a video. This is a continuation of a previous video that I recently made, and that video was how to use YouTube videos as your own. And this is the next step, you might say, which is how to make money with those videos. What we're going to be looking at is how you can create videos using other people's videos. And stick with me for your bonus, which is a way to help you to get traffic to these videos, even if you're an absolute newbie. That are going to get you massive views on YouTube, and that's going to make you a lot of money. And I mean a lot of money. And there are niches such as nature, relaxation, relaxing, sleep music, relaxing music, music in nature music, and so on. I'm going to get into that in a little bit more detail, but these are niches that have tons of videos that are available, so you're not going to run out of content. So what I want to do is I want to kind of give you a peek at the niche, give you an idea of how much money is to be made, and then step by step how to do this. Okay, let's go to YouTube and take a look at nature. And if you'll type nature in the search box on YouTube, the first video's got 14 million views. The next video has 302 million views. What that means is that, and that's about, according to this, that's 5 years ago. That means that this particular video is averaging 5 million views per month. The next video is 19 million views, 209,000 views. You're going to see that there's 246,000 searches per month on YouTube. That number is courtesy of Uber Suggest, which is a free Chrome extension, by the way. And over on the right here, we're getting 13 million searches. 13 million searches per month on YouTube. Well, what I want you to see is there's an unbelievable audience that is craving for these videos, that are going to watch these videos. You certainly have the audience. Let's go a step further here. I want to look at 302 million views. Let's click on that video, and that video is by a channel called Soothing Relaxation, and that's a fantastic name, and that tells us a lot. When you create your YouTube channel, put in appropriate words: nature, relaxing nature, soothing nature, nature music. Use those kind of words in the name of your channel, because it's going to help your channel. YouTube is going to better be able to identify with your channel content from the title of your channel. Okay, so next thing I want to do is take us to a site called Social Blade, and I'm going to click on YouTube, and I'm going to type in Soothing Relaxation. That's the name of the channel. And Social Blade is a site that can tell us about just about any YouTube channel that's on YouTube. What I want you to see here is simply that this channel makes somewhere between $17,000 US per month and $275,000 per month, doing exactly what I'm sharing with you in this video. The channel makes between $206,000 per year up to $3.3 million per year. And how it makes that money is simply it gets paid for ads, usually before and after, and sometimes during the video. Every time one of those ads pops up, it makes a little bit of money. And the reason why I'm sharing this is because I want you to see the kind of potential that we're talking about. So in order to make this happen, you're going to need some videos. In my previous video, I share how you can get videos from YouTube. You can also get videos from sites such as Pexels and Pixabay. These are my favorite sites. I'm going to include another link below. to one of my videos where I share 20 of my favorite sites that you could use for free video. What I want you to see next is that there's an unbelievable amount of videos out there. You can do this for a few days or a week, and you just run out of videos. Well, I want you to see that that's not going to happen. Let's go to a site called Pexels. Pexels is free. My favorite site is Pexels and Pixabay for free videos. And let's type in nature. There are 38,300 videos that are available just from Pexels. And the videos on Pexels are free to use. We don't need what's called attribution, and we can use them any way we want to use them. So one of the things that I do is I will splice several of these videos together. You've got an almost endless amount of content. Pixabay, and on Pixabay we have 11,436 nature videos that we can use totally for free with no attribution. So we know we've got an awesome niche. We know we've got videos. Fortunately, we've got more videos than we could probably ever use. Next thing we need is music. Create your YouTube channel. Click on your icon. Click on YouTube Studio. On the left-hand column, click on, slide that down, go to the bottom of that column, and click on Audio Library. And this is the YouTube library. Let's type heavenly. We're looking for heavenly music, soothing music, relaxing music. And here is heavenly right. Perfect. So click on download. And when you click on download, you're going to get video details, and it's going to tell you that you're free to use the music and you can use it without attribution. If attribution is required, you will find exactly, then the attribution details will be right below here. Download the music. Next thing is to go to your video editor. If you need a video editor, Shotcut is one of my favorites. I'm importing a couple of videos, adding it to my timeline. Import your music. These particular clips that I'm using are about 15 seconds a piece. You can use the same clip over and over again. You've got your video, you've got your music. This is a sample of what you can create. When you're happy with your video, save it, export it, and upload it to YouTube. So your bonus! This brings us to your bonus! I want to share with you to use tools, use extensions, free extensions such as Ubersuggest. I'll leave a link below to Ubersuggest. I'll also leave my affiliate link below to TubeBuddy. These are free extensions, and what they're going to do is they're going to help you right up front. Ubersuggest is going to let you know, for example, that there are 246,000 searches per month on Google. 240,000 people per month are searching on Google. And the best way to get on the first page, the front page of Google, is by way of YouTube. Of course, I can't make any guarantees, but let me show you a little secret that's going to help you to get on the first page of YouTube and Google. When you install TubeBuddy, you're going to see the tags. And this, for example, is relaxing sleep music with 302 million views. Below the tags, you'll see that it says show search ranking. When you click on that, what you're going to find are where these keywords score. So let's say somebody is searching for sleep music, meditation music, study music. These are keywords that are going to help to get your video on the first page. Click on those keywords, and then I click on results. This is page 1 for calming music for those keywords. If someone is searching for calming music, they're going to see relaxing sleep music on the very first page in the number 3 spot. And these tags are words that are going to help YouTube know what your video is all about. If you've only got music and video, YouTube doesn't exactly know what your video is all about. So tags become very important, especially for this kind of video. It's going to tell YouTube what your video is all about, so then YouTube knows which people that it should send to that video. If you click on copy to, you can copy all those keywords. There's all the keywords. You can copy all those keywords and then pick and choose the ones that are applicable to your video. Don't use keywords that are not applicable. That's actually going to hurt you, because people are going to come to your video expecting this because that's what the tag said, that's what you told YouTube your video is about, and that's not what the viewer found. Well, the viewer is going to leave. And what that means is that when people land on your video and don't get what they were promised, they leave. And when people don't watch your videos, this sends a very bad signal to YouTube that you make bad videos. And the fact is that you simply use the wrong tags. So make sure that whatever tags that you do use are actually applicable to your video. What that's going to do, it's going to tell YouTube that, hey, if you got people that are looking for sleeping music, if you got people that are looking for relaxing music, if you got people that are looking for calming music, send them to this video. You want to copy those tags, use the ones that are applicable, put them in your tags, and also use them in your description. Even if you copy and paste them into your description and don't even put them into sentences, put them in your description, and then choose one or more of the top keywords, put in your title. You'll also find a free search tool in TubeBuddy, Keyword Explorer, which will help you to find keywords as well, but this is a real fast, simple, and easy way to target those keywords and target them easily and target them quickly, especially if you're a newbie. You can create videos that are just as good or even better than these top-ranking videos. If you don't employ this SEO strategy, you're not going to get the traffic. You're not going to get the views. But if you employ this SEO strategy, you're going to get the views. In fact, if you put together a nice video and people like it and people watch it and watch it to the end, that sends a huge signal to YouTube that people love your video. People are watching your video. People are watching it to the end, and they're going to send you more and more traffic. If you like this video, and I certainly hope you do, give it a big thumbs up if you would. Do that right now. Thank you so much. It's good for the channel. It's good for the video. The more that you like this video, the more that YouTube is going to push video out to more people. So if you would, give this video a like right now. Thank you again. If this is the kind of content that is of interest to you, if you're interested in making money from home or need help with your YouTube channel, that's what this channel is all about. If that is of interest to you, I encourage you to subscribe and ring the bell, and that way I'll let you know whenever I make a new upload. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'm rooting for you. Allow me to wish you much success. I'll see you in the next video.